Welcome back to Science with NC Squared, where today we're going to learn about the density of liquids. So guys, we've got 3 different liquids in front of us. This is cooking oil, right here. This is just a little bit of water with some food coloring in it. This is maple syrup. Ooh, I wish we had some pancakes, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to pour all these liquids together. What do you think is going to happen when we pour all the same? You think it's going to make a rainbow?
Yeah.
Alright, so why don't we pour the water in first? Dad will pour the water in.
Okay, water.
Alright. Now, who wants to pour the vegetable oil in? Alright. We'll let Colton pour the vegetable oil. We'll give you the syrup. Yep, pour it in fast. Whoa.
I'm making just.
Look at that, guys. So we poured the water in and the vegetable oil. And look at it separating. You see that? Let me stand for a second. Look at the vegetable oil in the water. You see how they're separating, you guys?
Yeah.
Isn't that kind of cool? So that's the vegetable oil, all on the top. Everything on the bottom, that's just the water. What do you think is going to happen when we pour the syrup in?
I think it's going to be just rainbow.
Where do you think the syrup's going to fall? Do you think it's going to mix into one? Do you think the syrup's going to be up top?
Yeah, up top. No,
In the middle or in the bottom?
On the bottom in the middle.
On the bottom and in the middle? Where do you think the syrup's going to go?
Right here.
Right on the top? Well, let's pour it in there and find out.
Yeah. I'll do
Need
it.
some help? It's heavy. Let's go. Go. Yep. Can you tip the bottom in? Push it up.
Oh yeah, I know it.
What's going on? Where's it going?
Bottom.
On the bottom?
Yeah, I know it gotta go on the bottom.
What?
Put more.
Oh.
Put more in.
Well, and watch. Let's just let it sit for a minute. Whoa, isn't that cool? See how it's separated? So how is it sitting now? It looks like we've got all the syrup on the bottom,
Yeah.
a lot of water in the middle,
Yep.
and some vegetable oil on the top. Okay, so I think we should make this even more fun, guys. What about you? Let's put your safety goggles on, and let's play with some more stuff.
But don't it keep falling off?
We're going to fix that. We're going to have to edit this baby out here. How's it feel? Technical difficulties.
I don't think we should edit it.
No, let's get this. Let's get those ones for me.
You want the other ones? Alright.
There you go. No. Let me food. That one goes
Much better. Alright, put yours on.
better.
So,
So what we gotta do next?
well, you guys, we're going to take turns, and we're going to put these items in, and we're going to take a guess to see which item is going to stop at which layer.
Okay.
All right.
This one goes up at here.
Well, let's let Charlotte go first. Charlotte, where do you think that one's going to go? You're picking, where do you think that's going to go? Drop it in. Whoa, it sank all the way down to the bottom.
Yeah, now it's my turn.
It's hard to see, but it's all the way down to the bottom, okay?
I'm picking.
Let's let Colton do one. Where do you think that one's going to go? That floats right on the very top. Okay. How about we let Charlotte drop? You going to drop the bolt in? Oh, the bolt sank all the way down too, huh? All right, drop the die in. Oh, so the die stopped in the maple syrup right at the very top of it. Kind of cool. It's slowly sinking. What do you got there, Charlotte? The washer? Drop it in. Look like, hold on, Colton. Yeah, the washer sank all the way to the bottom.
I don't want
All right.
to put this in.
Colton, you're going to put in what? A cherry tomato. Whoa, look at that. Okay, so the cherry tomato stopped right above the maple syrup. Charlotte, put the blueberry in. No, not in your mouth. Put it in the cup. Silly. Look at that. The blueberry stopped above the water. It didn't break the surface. So the blueberry's floating on top of the water.
Okay, we'll try this one.
Put the grape in. Where do you think the grape's going to go? Oh, the grape made it all the way down to the maple syrup.
Or they just this one with
All right. And Charlotte, you got the cap?
Or they just this one with
All right. And Charlotte, you got the cap?
No, they won't put it in.
Okay.
This is safety.
That's the safety cap. Can we put it in?
No.
Drop it in. Where do you think it's going to go?
No.
No?
I think floats.
All right. Well, should we say goodbye? Did we have fun?
Yeah.
Say
I
goodbye.
don't want to